Welcome to Let's Weave Beads. In this video we are doing the last step of our stuffing. This step can be a little difficult, but what we are using is what's called the ladder stitch, and you want to just stuff in your stuff here. I think I need to pull out a little bit here. Make sure you have your there we go. So you want to be where your needle is, and then you want to push this, because remember this here is where your star met, so you want to push that in, and then this is the side we're sewing up, and this is called the ladder stitch. And what you do is across from where your needle is, push this in a little more, you want to go through the fabric part way like this. Hopefully you can tell what I did. And then you'll do the opposite side, going into the fabric and then back out, and then back over here, in and back out, and again. And that is how you close up your piece on this last side. You continue that until it's done, and then you will tie off your thread however you tie it off. Now if you're not a person who sews, that might be difficult. You might want to look up some videos on how to end a thread. I just kind of keep going around and around until I have like a massive knot thing, because I really do not know how to do it. So I would recommend you look up a video for that if you do not know how to end a thread in sewing. They probably give you much better advice than I would. And like I said, this is called the ladder stitch, and this is how you stitch up the last side, and then you will have your stuffing for inside your star. So the next videos will be, of course, sewing the two sides of your star together, and then how to enter the stuffing and finish off. So hope to see you there.